Namaste, Javin. I, Javin Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Agriculture Veterinary Science. Today, I deliver a lecture on this topic, package of practices of maize crop. Maize, Gia maize. Gia maize is a botanical name, is an annual plant which belongs to family Gramineae and genus Gia. Gia maize has 10 pair of chromosomes. It is divided into 8 groups on the basis of endosperm of kernel. Dendron, Gia maize indentata, stirred. It is properly known as a dendron. In this type of maize kernel have both hard and soft starchy on the top of dent corn kernel having yellow or white color. In the drying or shrinking of the soft starch, various form and degree of indentions results. Flint corn, Gia maize indurata. This is a botanical name. The endosperm in this type of maize kernel is soft and starchy in the center. Kernel of this type are rounded on the top and color may be white or yellow. It is grown in Europe, Asia, Central America and South America, as well as it is a principal type of grown in India. Popcorn, Gia maize everta. It is process exponential propping and quality. Size of kernel is small with the hard carneous endosperm. The grain are used for human consumption and is the basic popcorn confection. Flour corn, Gia maize emilia. It is also known as soft corn. Sweet corn, Gia maize saccharata. The sugar and starch make the major component of the endosperm that result in sweetish taste of the kernel. Pod corn, Gia maize tonicata. Each kernel is enclosed in pod or husk in ear, which is enclosed in the husk like others type of corn. It is a primitive type of corn and hence of no importance. Baxi corn, Gia maize keratina. Baby corn, Gia maize climate and soil. Climate. Maize can be grown in temperate highlands, tropical as well as subtropical region. The crop is susceptible to waterlogging condition which need to be avoided. And moderate temperature, adequate moisture are basic need of maize crop. Soil. Maize require a well-drained sandy loam soil with organic matter. It thrives well in soil pH between 5.5 to 8. Sowing time and land preparation and manuring. Sowing time for maize crop, Kharif season crop, seed is sowed in the month of Feb or March. Rabi season crop, seed is sowed in middle October or mid-October to mid of November. Land preparation and manuring, a well-prepared flatbed which has give 4 to 5 deep plowing provide an ideal condition for sowing of crop. FIM compost 5 ton per hectare. Nitrogen 100 to 120 kg per hectare, phosphorus 50 to 60 kg per hectare, potassium 30 to 40 kg per hectare is required for maize crop. Method of planting, seed treatment. Treated with the Pavestin at the 3 gram per kg of seed before sowing in the field. Depth of sowing 4 to 6 centimeter where maize is generally sown on flatbed. Spacing 70 into 25 centimeter, 70 row to row distance, 25 centimeter plant to plant distance. For maize crop, plant density 66,666 per hectare is plant population. A healthy seed of 20 to 20 kg per hectare required for seed rate. Seed rate कितनी होनी चाहिए? 20 से 22 kg किलोग्राम. Interculture operation and irrigation. Interculture operation. After sowing, जो भी हम कल्टीवेशन प्रैक्टिस करते हैं जैसे वीडिंग हो गया, थिनिंग हो गया, होइंग हो गया, these are the culture practice are known as interculture operation after sowing of crop. Thinning should be done after 10 days of germination, keeping one plant per hill. At knee-high stage, about 35 days after germination, the crop plant should be earthed up, followed by the light and hand weeding. The second earthing up should be done at 60 days after germination of the crop. Irrigation. For Kharif maize irrigation at early knee-high stage, tasseling and 50% silking stage are to be given. For Rabi maize, first irrigation is to be applied 3 to 4 weeks after seedling emergence. Subsequently, at 4 to 5 weeks till March and thereafter 1 to 2 week interval irrigation should be given. Variety of maize, hybrid variety Ganga hybrid Makka 5, Himalayan hybrid Makka, the composite variety Prabhat, Dhaval are the specially recommended for the cultivation North Eastern Hill region. The variety of QPM, QPM means quality protein maize, HQPM means high quality protein maize 3 and baby corn HM4 are also found to be suitably grown in the district. Plant protection, maize stem borer, the larvae attack the crop from the June to September. First they scrape the leaves and then bore into the stem, thus resulting in dead heart of the central shoot. Control of maize stem borer, application of endosulfan 35 EC at the rate 250 ml and monoprotophos 36 WSC at the rate 275 ml per hectare in 125 liters of water by starting spray 2-3 weeks after sowing. Application of neem-based pesticide like Margosa at the rate 2 ml per liter of water are found to be beneficial. Armyworm, silk cutter, these are the insect. Leaf blight, leaf blight. Medes leaf blight symptoms appear on the leaves on the form of spindle-shaped, neurotic to brownish lesions. Such lesions may emerge to form large irregular patches. Control, spraying of Indophil M45 at the rate 500 grams in 250 liters of water per hectare. Give the spray at 10 days interval. Weed control, how to weed control in maize crop. Pre-emergence application of atrazine at the rate 1 kg active ingredient per hectare is recommended for weed control. Harvesting and threshing. Maize is ready for the harvesting even when the stalks and leaves are somewhat green, but the husk cover has dried and turned brown. Shell maize when the moisture content ranges between the 15 to 20%. Conventional harvester combine can be used for the threshing maize with the husk to save labor involved in dehusking. The maize ears should be preferably be dried and for 3-4 days after harvesting to improve grain recoveries and reduce the precarious losses during the shelling. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, any query, please comment in comment box.